In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to style form blocks on Squarespace to perfection. First things first, you'll need to open up your Squarespace platform. Once you're there, make sure you're logged into your account, as this will allow you to access all your site editing tools and modifications. Now, you should see your homepage. Take a look at the bottom left-hand corner of your screen. This is where you'll find your profile icon. Give it a click. Here, you'll see a list of websites associated with your account. Choose the one you want to work on today. Once you've selected your website, it's time to dive into editing mode. Go ahead and click Edit. From here, you want to add a new block to your website, so look for and select Add Block, followed by Form. This action will allow you to start shaping how your form will look and behave on your site. Next up, to truly personalize and style your form, navigate over to the Site Styles menu. Within this menu, look for the Forms section. Clicking here will present you with a range of customization options. You have the ability to modify form packs and choose the one that suits your website's theme or your personal preference. Remember, consistency in design is key to a professional look. But wait, there's more you can do. Not only can you choose different form packs, but you can also select the shape of each field in your form. This is a simple change that can have a big impact on how your form looks. Just imagine how these small adjustments can make your site stand out and align with your brand's style. Now here's a tip for making your form even more visually appealing. Adjust the padding of your fields. Look for a square shape on the border section of your form settings. Here, you have the option to set your padding to small, medium, or large. This adds that extra bit of visual spacing, enhancing the overall appearance and making your form more user-friendly. While you're making these changes, don't hesitate to click on the effects options available. Feel free to experiment with different effects and see which ones you like best. It's a splendid opportunity to explore the full spectrum of features that Squarespace offers for form customization. Once you've played around with all the settings and you're satisfied with how your form looks and operates, it's crucial to save your work. This ensures that all your style changes are applied to your live site, providing your audience with a seamless and stylish form-filling experience. And there you have it. With these steps, you've successfully styled your Squarespace form blocks to fit beautifully with your site's design. Enjoy your revamped look and see you in our next tutorial.